Alright, hey guys, here's a daytime video of the Hunter Discovery. This is a daytime video. So here's the lights. You can see it better on low, so I won't have to keep turning the light off. So here it is. Low. I like this fan running on low a lot. It makes it look cool. Because a lot of people like to put these on low speed. Because on Gabriel, back in 2009, TOD65 actually has one of these fans, and he put it on low speed. He just said he was going to demonstrate on low, medium, high, but he just put it on low speed and just made it run on low speed for the whole video. And there's a Mexican restaurant that actually has these that Brian Fan spotted. And they run on low too. And I've actually I can't remember. I think I could have driven by a place that had these fans that actually run on low. It's so cool. A lot of people like to put these on low speed. Makes it look cool. See a close up of it. Here is medium. It's about low. It's got a good low speed to it. I'm already feeling some air from it, so here is medium. I just want to like this fan running on low. And the second time I came here, this was already on low. One of the blades keeps getting loose. I think it needs some lock washers for the blade screws. Here's medium. Already feeling some air from it. Here's the light. I like this speed. But I like this fan specifically on low. But for other fans, I like it on medium. That one. Or the fans in the museum. I definitely like all those to run on low. Just like how Brian Fans put them all on low when he filmed the fans in the museum. Dan Spiffy Newman put all of them on low when he worked there. It's really cool when everything's on low in the museum. When there's a group of fans, I like to have them on low. Here's high. One time, the blade was very loose, and it scraped the switch housing. But someone tightened it in, and then they put it on low. Here, it moves a ton of air. Like, seriously. If anyone finds these at another restaurant, let me know. Besides that Mexican restaurant, let me know. And here's spin down. Well, you know, the girls' fans actually to Dreamland. To Dreamland, far, far away. And my brother was actually looking at the states of America. He was looking at Massachusetts, New Hampshire, Vermont, Maine, Tennessee, Indiana, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, New York, Connecticut. Tennessee, which means Tennessee whiskey. I don't know that song, but so California, Florida. This is the Earth. There's some rocket ships on the blades. Imagine if Fanimation made an Enigma with rocket ship blades. That'd be really cool. That would definitely want to run on low. I definitely want to put that on low. Especially I like the Enigmas in the lobby running on low, too. Fanimation. And all the fans in the... I also like all the fans in the boardroom running on low, too. So, but in a bedroom, it's perfect to have the fan on medium 24/7. A long spin down time in this thing. Well, this thing shouldn't take that long for a spin down. Now it is time to reverse it. Low reverse. Here's low reverse. Now let's go to medium reverse. Here's high reverse. Let's go back down to low. Well, this is the last time we see this fan because my dad's mom's actually moving out this place. She's gonna move out in February. So that's about low. Here is medium. That's about medium. Here's high. I don't worry. Get my hand. Send it back to forward. That is it. That's the Hunter Discovery Ceiling Fan. Thanks for watching.